right. Well, hello, AP Stats. We are now in week 3 of AP review mode. Next week will actually be kind of our last week of wrapping things up as far as review goes, and then it'll be up to you to kind of do some of your own individual practices, and I'll continue to answer questions when they come up. Haven't really had a lot of questions from you all at this point, which I understand probably focused on some of your other classes. We are still about a month away from the AP exam for this class. So I just want to remind you of a couple things. First off, I have gone ahead and posted your week 3 AP review folder. So there are assignments posted for the 2 free response questions, which are posted on the AP Classroom website. Have not had a lot of people taking advantage of that yet. Looking at it for units 3 and 4, which were from last week, those are going to be open up until midnight tonight, technically. So make sure you get those posted or work through if you'd like to do that. Guys, remember these are really good problems and really gives you a good idea of what it'll probably look like on the day of the AP exam, especially if you are not familiar. There's going to be 2 AP questions, AP free response questions, no multiple choice, none of that. And then you'll be uploading your answers in a very similar way to what I've got for you on the AP website. So I've only got one person so far that submitted for this last week. You do have until midnight tonight if you want to work through those. And then at 8 a.m. today, these next 2 will go live. So that'll be units 5 and 6. And you'll have until this Friday at midnight to work through those if you'd like to. In addition to that, I've also posted your AP review for probability as well as a key for that. So if you're wanting to just work through some more problems from prior years, you are more than welcome to do that. Obviously, when I'm done recording this video, I'll post it here for you. Just want to remind you a couple of things. If you need some info on the exam, I do have that posted. I also have gone ahead and posted that fourth quarter document that was sent out previously right after spring break. So just a reminder of where we are currently at. We are now done with units 1, 2, 3, and 4. This week for April 20th to 24th, we are doing units 5 and 6 as well as some practice for, I believe I've moved probability down here, and inference will be bumped down here. So that is one small change that's happened. So next week, just 1 unit left to go over for AP Classroom, which is Unit 7. We'll have inference posted as the Schoology review activity, and then that's it, guys. So starting with the week of May 5th, and I guess before I go to that, keep in mind seniors who aren't taking the AP test, May 1st is the last official day of classes really for you guys, because then May 5th through the 8th is supposed to be your finals week. Now, you'll have an opportunity to work on grades and all that leading up to graduation, and most of you don't. I don't think anyone needs this class to graduate. But that being said, the last kind of 2 weeks leading up to the AP exam is all dedicated for AP practice exams and getting ready for it. So if there are any of these, because they do lock out after the end of each week, that you would like to go back and work through, feel free to, in the meantime, email me, and I can always unlock it for you before that time. But I'll probably unlock all of those during these weeks. That way, if you've missed any, you can go back and work through those and kind of get ready for that AP exam. Uh, that being said, I think that's all I've got for you. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. Feel free to drop in during office hours. Remember, those are 10:30 to 11:30. Got the link for that. If I don't have the link for that here, I'll make sure and post that for you guys. And if there's anything else you guys need, just let me know. That being said, have a good week, guys, and I will talk to you next time.